This is our factory. We specialize in manufacturing concrete benching plants. Let me show you around. This is PLD 1600 ingredient mixer. Here is the back of them. Below the hopper is a conveyor belt. This is a cement silo. That yellow one is the hose of concrete benching plant, and the blue one above it is weighting system. This one is the control room. About the color of the ingredient mixer, you can choose the red one, yellow one, and the orange one, and the white one. This is our factory, and we are waiting for your visit.